Now, from Studio 209, you are watching WVMS News, The Wolf.
Good morning, I'm Avery. I'm here to bring you the morning announcements. Today is Monday, 25th. Please stand for the moment of silence and the Pledge of Allegiance.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today, the cafeteria is serving Big Daddy's cheese pizza, Big Daddy's pepperoni pizza, chicken waffle sandwich, PB&J, Cheez-Its, and a cheese sticks, vegetable, mashed potatoes, and gravy corn Caesar salad, baby carrots. Now, let's end the announcements with a special West Valley production.
Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Shaboom. Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom, ding dong, ding dong, lang, lang, lang. Oh, 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 bip, a boom, ba da, ba dip. Oh, life could be a dream. Life could be a dream.
The mission of the West Valley Middle School community is to inspire students to be resourceful, respectful, and responsible citizens while providing a safe and challenging learning environment. Have a great day, West Valley, and go Wolves!